everyone and welcome to my natural universe. My name is Braids. To my new viewers and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. To my new viewers, welcome to the click. So today, in today's videos, as you can see from the title and as you can see from here, this is what I was anticipating to get. So these are very nice protective style and it's simple, it's not even bulky, it's not heavy. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, continue watching this video and I hope you're going to enjoy it. So my hair is already straight, a little bit straight, and it's detangled, so I'll be able to partition it as I do my box braids. And yeah, so that's what I want to do. And I'm going to use some oil on my hair. This castor oil, it's angelic pure castor oil. I got this from Spa Cosmetics, I guess Moy Avenue, I don't know, it's not Moy Avenue, that's someone. So today I was thinking to do some braids. This is something I've never done before, but why not give a try? So I'm going to give a try. I have like 6 short braids. One. Number 1, so they're black. There are 6 of them. I hope they're going to be enough. I'm planning, okay, we'll see what is going to be. We'll see what's going to work out for me. So I have that, and then I have this Spanish bulk. I've seen people put these on their hair, and I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do that. Most of my videos I always improvise doing braids or any hairstyle that I'm having. I always improvise since, you know, I'm not a professional, but I love doing my hair and I guess I can do it. So let's see what we can do with these 4 braids, these 6 braids and 1 Spanish bulk. For the braids, they went for around 400, like one of them went for like 65 Kenya shillings. So it was around, I guess, 390 if I'm not wrong, I don't remember. And for the Spanish bulk, apparently it's 200 Kenya shillings, $2. Yeah, but I'm hoping it's going to be worth it because I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I have the idea in my mind, but I have no idea whether it's going to be exactly what I'm thinking. But let's see. Let me start by applying some castor oil. So that now that I've partitioned my hair, like my hair is parted, so I'm just going to go ahead and just braid it, and then I'll put this Spanish bulk. I'm going to put it like at the end. I don't know people do it differently, but in my case I'm just going to do it my way, just my way. So let me just braid my hair the usual way, the normal way, and let's just do it. this is my final look, which I never expected. I never thought that it's going to turn out like this. I had like something in mind. I had like I'm going to have like a huge box braids, but then it didn't work out. So we ended up doing this, and I honestly love it. I love this hairstyle. So I used like 3 packs of hair, 3 and a little, like 3 1/4 packs of hair, and 1 piece of the Spanish bulk. There are like 2 pieces in that pack, so I used like 1 piece only, and I love the volume. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for more videos, you like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.